We live in a constantly evolving world with daily changes and various innovations. With the fast-paced changes, one may not even know of certain innovations. It's the same for the firearm industry. Manufacturers are constantly working tirelessly to continue to release new guns to the market, and in the coming years, there's no telling how many different types of guns will be available, not to mention the new players that may enter the game. There are guns right now that you probably haven't heard about. Guns you didn't think you needed, only because you didn't even know about their existence. We're going to reveal 10 guns you didn't know you needed. By now, you should know you can only find this kind of content on this channel, so if you want to continue getting content like this, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and keep your eyes wide open because there's certainly a lot more where this came from. The Colt 1911 Government Classic is a timeless firearm that has earned its place in the hearts of gun lovers and collectors. It was originally designed by John Browning. This pistol was even adopted by the US military in 1911. Although it has undergone many iterations, it's continued to maintain its classic appeal. This model features a 5-inch barrel and is constructed with a robust frame and slide, often made from high-quality stainless steel, which enhances durability and adds to its aesthetic charm. This classic pistol costs around $1,000, with some models reaching up to $1,300. While it may seem a bit expensive, you can be sure you're getting a formidable gun in exchange. When it comes to precision, the 6-hour P210 target stands out. It was designed in the 1940s as a military sidearm for the Swiss Army and has evolved into a highly regarded target pistol known for its exceptional accuracy and craftsmanship. The P210 target features a 9mm caliber, balancing manageable recoil and effective stopping power. Its design includes a 5-inch barrel that contributes to its accuracy and adjustable target size that allow precise aiming. This pistol is priced around $2,000, but that's not a surprise since it's built with a robust steel frame which makes it durable. A stainless weapon celebrated for its smooth shooting experience and manageable recoil, the Walter PPK is suitable for shooters of all skill levels. Its reputation as a reliable concealed carry option has made it a favorite among those seeking a stylish yet functional firearm. The PPK's classic lines and refined finish add to its allure, so it's not just a tool, but a piece of art in the world of firearms. You're getting an absolute beauty with this gun. It's priced around $750 and has a compact size with a barrel length of approximately 3.3 inches, which allows for easy handling and discreet carry. The 1911 DS Prodigy AOS handgun is a modern take on the classic 1911 platform developed by Springfield Armory in collaboration with Agency Arms. It combines the traditional features of 1911 with contemporary enhancements, which is an incredible innovation. The Prodigy is available in 2 barrel lengths, a 5-inch bull barrel and a 4.25-inch commander length barrel designed to improve accuracy and recoil management. One of the most notable features of the Prodigy is its double-stacked magazine capacity, which gives you 20 plus 1 rounds in a compact frame, a significant upgrade over standard single-stack 1911s. With such important upgrades, a price tag of $1,500 may not be too much. This remarkable bolt-action rifle has gained attention for its lightweight design and exceptional performance. As part of the renowned Savage 110 series, this model is engineered for hunters and shooters who would love to have portability without sacrificing accuracy or reliability. One of the standout features of the Savage 110 ultralite is its carbon fiber stock, which significantly reduces the overall weight of the rifle while maintaining structural integrity. This innovative material allows the rifle to weigh in at approximately 6.5 pounds, making it one of the lightest options in its class. This remarkable rifle costs around $1,100. Innovation, design, and functionality. That's the language of the Cal-Tech Sub 2000. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Sub 2000 is its ability to fold in half, allowing it to easily fit into a backpack or bag or be stowed away in a vehicle. This feature particularly appeals to those prioritizing compactness and convenience in their firearms. The Sub 2000 is available in 9mm and .40 caliber for around $350 to $450 and it's designed to accept magazines from popular handguns such as the Glock 17 and Glock 19. This compatibility enhances its versatility, allowing you to utilize magazines you may already own. The Chiappa Rhino 60DS is a unique revolver that stands out in the firearms market. It was manufactured by Chiappa Firearms and has garnered attention for its distinctive appearance and performance characteristics. The Rhino 60DS features a revolutionary design where the barrel is positioned at the bottom of the cylinder rather than at the top. This configuration helps to reduce muzzle rise during firing, allowing for better control and accuracy. The revolver is constructed from high tensile strength materials, ensuring that it's durable and reliable in every shooting condition. This revolver is priced at around $500 for the base model and $1,500 for the high-end versions. Smith & Wesson Model 610 is a revolver chambered for the 10mm auto cartridge, a powerful self-defense and recreational shooting option. The Model 610 is a 6-shot double-action revolver that stands out due to its robust construction and classic styling. It's available in 2 barrel length, 4 inches and 6.5 inches, allowing you to choose based on your preferences for balance and handling. The revolver is designed to accept full moon clips, facilitating quick reloading and allowing it to fire 40 S&W rounds, adding to its versatility and flexibility. The FN57 is a semi-automatic pistol designed and manufactured by FN Herstal in Belgium, adored for its innovative design and performance. The FN57 is chambered for the 5.7 by 28mm cartridge, which was developed specifically for this pistol. This unique caliber offers several advantages, including low recoil and high velocity, making it effective for target shooting and self-defense. The pistol features a polymer frame and a steel slide, contributing to its lightweight and durable construction. One of the most important features of the 5.7 is its high-capacity magazine, which typically holds 20 rounds. For a price of around $1,300, it's certainly a wonder. A variant of the CZ Scorpion Evo 3 machine gun developed for law enforcement and military applications, the CZ Scorpion Evo 3S is a semi-automatic pistol. It was designed and manufactured by Czeska Zaborowska-Uherski Broad and has gained much popularity since then. The Scorpion Evo 3S1 features a futuristic and ergonomic design with a polymer frame and a Picatinny rail for mounting optics or accessories. The pistol has an ambidextrous safety and a reversible magazine release, which makes it suitable for left and right-handed shooters. The Scorpio Evo 3S1 is known for its reliability, accuracy, and smooth operation. The blowback operating system and 7.72-inch barrel provide a soft recoil impulse, which makes it very comfortable to shoot. It has a retail price of around $950. And that's going to do it for our list of the 10 guns you didn't know you needed. Are you familiar with any of the guns on our list in this video? Make sure to let us know in the comments down below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, this is your cue to do so now. Remember to like this video and share it with your friends and family. Thanks a lot for watching.